Yeah, hi, I am Siddhartha. Yes, now let's deep dive into the Python. So, main topic, now let's explain the Python. So, what is Python? So, Python is a high level interpreted, interactive, object oriented, dynamic, and multi-purpose scripting language. So, means I want to explain each point one by one. So, high level programming language. High level programming language is nothing but a English statements. So let's I want to just write one statement in Python. So print print statement, for example, print anything, any statements you can write. This print function, what it is doing means it is printing the statement, like anything, any letter or any word, any text we can print in that console. So hello world, anything. So it is like a english english type statements, right? So it is easy to understand for the programmers. So that is nothing but a high level programming language. I have already explained the previous class, right? So what is the high level and low level programming language? So Python is a high level programming language, it's not a low level, be remember. And next point is the interpreted. Interpreted means uh, it compiles line by line. This one also I have already explained in the previous class. So line by line. For example, this is the source code, right? .py file. We are doing the program in the .py file. This is the Python programming extension, right? So we can do the statements, like we are doing the program in the Python programming in that file, right? Uh, so this interpreter, what it is doing means it this is for example, this is the interpreter. What it is doing means it compile line by line. So for example, this is line 1, line 2, line 3, so on. uh, it compiles line by line. First takes the line 1. If anything error is there, so it not goes to the line 2 until unless we can clear this error, or we can execute this line. So we cannot go to the second line. So therefore it is called the line by line compile. It translates line by line each line. So that is called the interpreted programming language. So whether as the C or any other program, so it is not a interpreter. For example, we can take the C, right? So C is the not is the interpreted programming language. So it uses the compiler. So Python we can easily compile. So we can easily rectify the errors or or testing we can do easily, by which line by line. Whereas in the C, so it compiles all line. It compiles all line. It directly executes one single errors list. It generates all list. By means we can not easily for testing. So it is hard to complex, right? So it generates all lines of programs and all errors at a time in the C. Whereas in the Python, I have already said, right? So it checks line by line. First line, if the error is occurs, so that error generates, and until unless it clears that errors, so it will not go to the next line. So this is called interpreted programming language. And interactive. Interactive means this language. This is the only language to interact uh, any other platforms like IDLE, So IDLE or editors or online. We can do in the online also. So while we can, for example, in the Google, we can search in the Google like online compilers. There are so many like editors, so we can do programming in the online itself. For example, a GDB online is there. So many other online compilers also there, and editors. We can download the Python. It is a open source. So open source means we can available in the anywhere. So we can directly do programming with the easy way. So that is called the interactive and object oriented. Object oriented means, so whether in the C we can do the programs in the procedure oriented, like the programs are divided into the functions, right? In the C, whether as in the Python, so we can do programs in a like classes and objects. So in the object oriented, classes and objects, classes and objects. So by means we can easily do the programs in a simple and easy direct way. Like Java also uses the object oriented, and C++ uses this object oriented approach. We can easily communicate with the classes and objects like in a secure way. Like and next point is the dynamic. Dynamic means, yeah, I want to explain this dynamic. So it is whether I see it is a static programming, right? Whether in the Python it is a dynamic programming language. So dynamic programming language means in the C, yeah, I will explain in the C. See why it is a static programming means, in the C we can declare the data type. For example, int a equals to 10. So this is called the static. Why it is static means, we can declare the variable before the variable. So we can declare the data type. So it is a static time. So we can declare, compulsory declare in the C before the variable declaration. So whether in the Python, whether we are using the Python, right? So whether in the Python we don't need to declare any variable. So directly we can do a equals to 10. So this 10 is assigned in that variable, right? So it inbuilts, it takes the integer. The Python itself only understands that, oh, this is the 10. So the 10 number is a integer, right? So it directly takes the a is a integer. We can confirm by which the type function is there. Type of this variable a means, we can easily identify it is a which kind of data type. So that is called the dynamic programming. So multi-purpose scripting means, yes, multi-purpose programming. So it the Python is a various, we can use any platform, like AI, ML, and we can do the gamings also, gaming, and etc. And we can yeah, this with this Python we can do various purpose. So many purpose, like many users, we can do this Python. So highly readable. Highly readable means uh, with this Python programming language we can easy to read. So easy to read, right? Means this is a simple programming, like simple syntax and easy to understand this language. So even the first class or basic, like intermediate, or we can read easily. Even the non programming knowledge also, we can do programs very well easily. It is like a simple English. So simple and efficient way to do programs. So highly easy readable, and English keywords with the fewer syntactical constructions. So whether in the compared to other languages, so this Python is a very less syntax. For example, I will explain. Wait a while. Yeah. For example, in the C, I will do one program. Hash include stdio.h and void main. And we can writing the main function in the C, main, and directly we can printf. We are using the printf in the C, printf, like hello world, any statement we can print, right? So in the C, so how many lines will be there by using a simple program? This is a simple program, like hello world or any simple statement we can print. So these many lines are there in the C. This is we are using in the C, right? So how many lines? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like 7 lines is there in the C, right? So we can these 7 lines into the one line in the Python. So in the Python I will write simple. So in the Python we can just write the print statement, only one line. Print hello world or any statement. So in this way, we can use the colon, right? So this is the colon. So in the Python, no need to use any colons. So it is like a simple line or easy. Just only one line is required to print any word or any text. So in the C, you just compare these two languages. So C and Python. So how many lines required? So how much complexity there in the C and the Python? You just want to compare. So only one line. So here 7 or many lines. So that was the Python is a simple and easy way, easy free flowing learning compared to any other language. So this is called the Python, right? And and where Python is used. So Python is used for many platforms like software development, so software development, web development, data science, AI and ML, automation, game development. So before that, I already explained the Python is a multi-purpose programming. I have said just now. So this is a multi-purpose scripting or programming. So that was I have explained the previous. So Python uses many platforms. So it is called a multi-purpose. So many purpose we can use this single Python. So web development. First one, web development, data analysis. We can analyze the data by using the Python also, and we can develop the web pages or web development like jobs is there, right? So we can use this Python also, and AI and ML. So latest trending in the software is the AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So that also uses this Python only, and the gaming, so we are playing the games, right? So game development, we can develop the applications, game applications by using the Python only. And the automation for testing also, for testing tools also we can use the Python. So whatever, so everywhere we can use the Python. So it is a general purpose. So multi-purpose, general or multi-purpose. So we can use this Python. So anywhere, any platforms. So that was the Python is a huge demand in the software industries. So this is called why the Python is a very efficient and simple to use. Yeah, thank you. Next video I will explain.